Hi, my name's Saif and I'm a first year medicine student at the University of Sunderland. This video is going to be on how to answer medicine interview questions. These can be MMI and panel interview questions and also general interview questions as well. This video will cover both verbal and non-verbal aspects of the interview that you may want to consider. And these tips can be applied for both in-person and online interviews. In terms of answering general questions, it's sometimes useful to have a structure. For example, you can structure your answers with a point, evidence, and then its application to medicine. To help you with this, it might be useful to have a log of your previous work experience and what you learnt there as well. It's also important that during your interview you speak at a regular pace so that your interviewer understands what you're saying. And of course, during your interview, remember, if you need to take a break, you can do that to gather your thoughts. When it comes to interview questions, people don't always think about how they present themselves non-verbally. For example, it's useful to have open body language and to maintain eye contact with the interviewer. It's also useful to smile so that you come across as friendlier to the interviewer. When it comes to online interviews, you might also want to consider your background and any sort of distractions that might affect your interview. And of course, it's important that your background's actually tidy. If you've got an online interview and you've not done one before, it might be useful to do mock interviews with friends. So for example, if you have an interview over Microsoft Teams, you can practice that with friends so that you can be reassured that your mic and your camera are both working. On top of that, it's important before your interview to double check your internet connection. I hope this brief video was helpful and I'll see you all next week.